Alright. Got 91 twin turbo Z. Everybody's asking what parts I got. Got the boiler exhaust. Got the SSR D5R rims. 18 by 10.5 in the back. 18 by 10s in the front. 275 by 35 in the back. 255 by 35 in the front. All 18s. It's got the JDM motor, the JDM tranny. Had about 32,000 kilometers when I put it in. Also put it in the Sport 500s when I got that, with the still intercoolers. Boiler exhaust is 2.5 inch all the way. No cats, downpipes, test pipes. The transmission has JWT severe duty clutch with the JWT aluminum flywheel. Also got the SPL stainless steel braided clutch line with the Kevlar around that. You know, bullshit pivot ball, and got cross drill and slaughter rotors in the rear. I got the little gauge rings right here. You guys seen that in the other video. Little turbo timer right here. You guys can't even see that. There you go. I got the little boost controller, Profec B, Gritty. Got the little beat right here. Okay. So single pop, no injectors. That's pretty much it. XA blow-off valves. That's pretty much it. And then now you boys are gonna be able to get to here.